I'm Alex Brisson. I'm the CEO of Norda Stelo. After the crisis, when we look at the mirror, it became obvious that the place that we were the best, that the place that we were different to the competition was in the brownfield. Brownfield in the existing facilities. For us, it became obvious that our future will be there. To act in the existing facilities and bring that model to the next level. And that next level was to bring the intelligence artificial and bring it to the other level, to the ESG challenge for the future. The ESG factors brought us to think about how could we act as a social partner to face on this new challenge. We brought this thing and said, okay, what do we do there? We're acting on a day-to-day on the existing facilities. And the first one, to make them safely, to make them in respect to the environmental regulations, to make them more productive, and to give them the opportunity to expand the life of those facilities. We came to the idea and say, okay, if we can extend the life of those infrastructures, and if I take the life cycles of an asset, how could we bring that asset at the different levels, extend its life, and have an impact on the climate change? We have the expertise, we have the knowledge of that brownfield stuff. We know what is important and we know what is not important. For us, it became obvious again that the data will become the key. What is really important is to define and determine what is that data, the real one, the stuff that we need to evaluate, to compare, and to work on it. And the data combined to the digital transformation, intelligence, artificial, and all of that will give us the opportunity to define, to predict the future. And the data will become the key of the next steps. We will bring the information from the field, put it in Stelar, and translate from Stelar to the account people. The output of Stelar must be the information that the other people will use to compare to the standards in place.